Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhumika and I have a huge skincare and hair care Amazon haul today. So yes, without wasting much time, let's quickly get started. First off is this Juicy Chemistry Lip Balm. It's the Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm. And this is Shreya Jain's favorite and she raves about it all the time. So I wanted to try this out. And yes, my lips are also like super dry and super sensitive and always like peeling. So I wanted to see what the hype is all about. And yes, this is how it looks. A very tiny jar, very good packaging. So this is how it looks from inside. It's like almost transparent. Has a soft citrusy scent which I absolutely love, and yes, really looking forward to trying this out. Also, I'll be posting screenshots of all the products here because Amazon Great Indian Sale is going on right now, so you can see the original price and the discounted price of each and every product. And also I will mention all the links in the info box below, so you can click on the link and get the product like whatever you like or want. Next I got this Vega hairbrush. It's the basic hairbrush. This is how it looks. It's a normal paddle brush. So yeah, it's like a smaller size. It's not too big, so it can fit in your handbag or travel bag. Next I got this Schwarzkopf Tuft TAFT. It's a hair lacquer or hair spray, and it says Power Hold Mega Strong 72 hour strength and energy, no stickiness and no residue, and it's a caffeine based formula. So yeah, whenever I curl my hair I need a hairspray because as you can see, like my hair is super sleek and straight and curls don't last on my hair, so I'm always looking for good hairsprays, and this was like pretty affordable. I absolutely loved the price. So I've always tried the L'Oreal Elnett hairspray and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I wanted to try this Schwarzkopf one. I would highly recommend stocking up on your skincare and hair care essentials during this sale because the prices are really good. Next I got this Bella Vita Organic Growth Protein Shampoo. Now this has coffee, herbs, onion, apple cider vinegar, black seed. So it has a lot of good ingredients. So coffee and onion obviously help with blood circulation and hair growth, and apple cider vinegar is like a cleansing thing, so it also cleans the scalp of any residue, like if you use a dry shampoo or a hairspray or something like that, or even like a hair gel. If there's any residue on the scalp, cleansing shampoo will help get rid of all the residue. This is how the bottle looks. It's a very simple plain bottle. Next I got the Herbal Essence shampoo. I wanted to try this since a long time. I have used Herbal Essence many years ago when it was imported in India, not actually available in India, and now since I think about 2 years, Herbal Essence is officially launched in India. This time I ordered the White Strawberry and Sweet Mint shampoo. It says it has antioxidants, aloe and sea kelp, and it has 0% colorants, silicone or gluten. This is how it looks. The bottle is pretty huge, and again, as I mentioned, the discounts are really good, so I love the pricing. Then I got the L'Oreal Magic Retouch Temporary Grey Coverage Instant Root Concealer Spray. Now I have heard a lot of YouTubers, content creators talk about it, and this is very good like when I have like this parting going on, or when I have like some kind of parting going on and there's a lot of gaps. See any such gaps, you can fill those in, and also if you have white hair you can temporarily cover it with this. So yes, this is an amazing option, and there are 3 color options in this. There's a black, then there are 2 different browns. This is the dark brown one. Next I got the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is meant for face and body and for all skin types. This is very gentle. Cetaphil, as we all know, is a very good brand, clean brand. It is soap free and non-irritating, won't sting eyes, hypoallergenic, and suitable for everyone including the most sensitive skin because it is very gentle. And I always look out for gentle cleansers because I double cleanse usually, so a gentle cleanser is more than enough, and I don't like soapy or too harsh cleansers. So this is a perfect cleanser which does not strip your skin. Next I got the La Shield Physico Matte Sunscreen Gel, and it has 25% micronized zinc oxide, which is like a physical sunscreen, and it has SPF 50+, PA+++, water resistant up to 8 hours, and chemical filter free. So it is like an all physical sunscreen, and it is zinc oxide based. And from what I have read, even though this is zinc oxide based, it is not very chalky and white and pasty like usually physical sunscreens are. So this is how it looks. And as I had mentioned in my previous videos, I want to try out more affordable sunscreens for recommending to you guys. Let me know and I'll do a top 5 drugstore sunscreens video. So yeah, I am planning something like that. If you would be interested, do let me know. Next, I got the Dr. Earth Eternal Youth Phytonutrient Moisturizer. Now, I have tried 2-3 Dr. Earth skincare products and I absolutely love them, especially the eye serum. So this is an Eternal Youth Phytonutrient Moisturizer, and yes, this is how it looks. They make pretty good skincare, and hence I wanted to give this moisturizer a try. And then I got the Minimalist Salicylic Acid 2% serum. Now my Paula's Choice serum is almost towards the end and I don't have much of it left, so I thought of giving this Minimalist one a try, and I've heard pretty good reviews about it. This is how it looks. That is another lip balm, and as you know, my lips are like forever dry and chapped and super sensitive, as I mentioned. I got the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Now I have tried this before and to be honest, everyone raves about it, but I did not like it that much because I had a bigger this jar, and I don't know if I got an old batch or old stock or something, but whenever I used to use it, my lips would burn and sting. So I think I got a wrong batch because everyone raves about it, so I wanted to give this another shot. So I got the smaller one. This is the smaller jar, the Laneige lip sleeping mask. So yeah, that's about it. That is everything I got from Amazon, and I have linked everything in the info box below, so do check that out and do make use of the discounts on the sale. And yes, I also have a giveaway going on, so please don't forget to participate. I think there are last 3-4 days left, so yeah, do check that out. I've mentioned everything in the previous video. And yes, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.